All right, guys, welcome. We have made it to Tackett Creek to ride for a couple days before we go to Windrock. We got in late last night, so we already got unloaded. Good thing is, Airbnb came with a garage. So we have to be as cold loading up this morning. Got Tim's Polaris, Darius Can-Am, Talon, Steve with his Talon out there. He got in way late, so he didn't get the luxury of garage parking. But we'll be here for 3 days, and we're going over to Windrock for 3 more days. Hopefully nothing breaks at Tackett before we get there. Show you guys a quick tour of the Airbnb. A good sized bathroom, little game room area. Come upstairs, pretty big living room, front door. This is one we found on Verbo or Airbnb, or one of them. Thanks to Gary. We also got our shirts, Risk It Off-Road. Can represent our channel. And there you have it. All right, this is day 1 riding Tackett, so stay tuned and let's see what we get into. All right, we made it to Red's General Store here in Tackett, where they got gas, got some snacks, some lunch. And we met up with our friends Jeff and Brenda in their KRX 35s. I think we're gonna hit Slate Rock first and go from there. Pro R, on the Talon.
So I started it early and kind of front loaded it. So now
Can-Am,
I've gone down.
on the Talon.
So that by the time I'm back up.
You can pull up, Gary. Turn passenger. Yep. Turn passenger. Hard pass. Yep. Come down. Straight. Yep. No. Yep. Come on. Keep going. Turn driver a little bit. There you go. Straight. Yep. Now turn passenger. Come straight down. You're good. Yep. Passenger and down. You're good.
You're gonna go up over there because you're tired, then it'll come down.
Cheater. All right. little bit, driver. Come down. Turn driver and come down.
Get close to the tree.
Cheater.
Oh, it's violent.
All right, first stop, Slate Rock. We were here before. Gary did it before. He's gonna do it again. We didn't get a good video last time, so I told him he had to do it again. We gonna go right up to the center again or stick to the left? Yeah, you gotta work them off a little bit. You're not in four-wheel drive. Huh? You're not in four-wheel drive. Now you're in four-wheel drive. Whole audience back here.
Got some power, don't it? Almost got away from him.
Tornado Alley Trail, is that what it's called? Yeah, first pretty good obstacle here. Watch your back, you don't go off your tires are going off the side of the mountain. Yep. Don't go back any further. All right, Tim's gonna try to get himself out of this first. If not, we're gonna have to pull some rope and yeah. There you go, there you go, there you go. All right, cool. See, that's where he was getting hung up at.
All right, so where am I at? The bottom of your
So you have plenty of room on this side and plenty of room in the back.
It looks like the driver or the tire there was hanging up. Look at the bottom. Where's that? Looks like it's bottoming out right near the edge.
Yeah, you're bottoming out on that.
I'm not worried about bottoming out.
You just got to bump over that rock then. You have room.
Gas rock right here?
No, you're stuck back here.
Okay.
You had room to bump forward.
All right, so if
Yes.
I keep my wheels angled like this, I'll be good?
Yes, right now, yes. Can you back up and bump it some?
There's no rear traction. This side's off the ground. This just spins against that rock.
So put it in front wheel drive. Wait.
It's just not enough to the front to get it out by itself.
No. All right, Tim's trying to winch it up to a tree. Keep winching. Keep winching. All right, turn driver. Turn driver. gonna go up the back rock now. You should have no problem. There you go. Stop, stop. I'm gonna get that winch up. Ready? Come on. Yeah. Try to hug that tree right there. Nope, stop. Yep, you got it. You got it. Hug that tree. Hug that tree.
Straighten up some. Now come a little driver. See if you can get past that. All right, turning. All right, go.
It's just taking you down. Keep going straight.
Passenger. Go straight. Now try.
Keep going.
Do you have a differential lock in there?
No, he doesn't. Just make sure you guide me if I need to be left or right. Straight or? Good?
Yeah. Now, straighten up some. Now come a little driver. Get past that. All right.
Turning.
All right, go a little passenger.
Go straight.
Now try.
Keep it up. Nope. It was locked. I couldn't open it back up.
Ah. All right.
Hey. Up the back.
Okay.
Thank you. I finally made it up on Gary's turn. Just come more driver. Yeah, there it is. There you go. Jeff and a KRX.
Front locker.
So come driver. There you go.
Go steady, go steady, go. Go.
There you go. There you go. Wow. Right on up. Man, he's putting your Pro R to shame.
Look at that. Thanks you. I'm not gonna do that, right?
All right, here comes Steve with no winch on 31s. Might have to leave him here tonight. Is that better or worse? Go, 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 go! Hey! He doesn't know what that is.
He got way more Milwaukee shit in the back than fucking hell, man. He got the whole Milwaukee fucking box.
Little stop on the Tornado Alley Trail. It's called the Goat Cave. See if it's worth it. That's a pretty cool little cave. That's pretty cool. It's a good thing we stopped at the goat cave. They realized completely flat tire.
Well, we had something that's happened to yours when you pulled in that campsite one time. We're like, where's your tire?
With a massive punch went straight through the rim and the tire. Yeah.
Major guy.
All right. Figured it out. Got it plugged. Seems to be holding air. Time to truck on. KRX on 35s, like always. Climbed right out there. Crazy Talon. You're good. Saw Tim out here after this branch flew into his side and we whacked him in the face. Thanks, Tim. True hero. All right, we made it back. No real damage. Gary's swapping out his belt. He's feeling a little weird. His sidewall puncture seems to be holding air. Got the other Talon in the garage. Got some new shoes on it. Some new 32s instead of 31 carnivores. And we'll see what's in store for tomorrow.